The sweet spot? I'm the one in the middle, like the creamy filling in a cookie. It's a pretty sweet spot to be in most of the time. My older sister, Clara, has the coolest clothes. Sometimes, if I ask nicely, she lets me borrow her sparkly scarf. Clara's friends are so grown up. They tell the best stories, but sometimes they say I'm too little to listen. Then there's my little brother, Leo. He's super cute, but sometimes I have to be the boss and make sure he doesn't eat crayons. Being in the middle has its ups and downs. Clara was the first, so she got all the brand new toys and a million baby pictures. I got her gently used teddy bear, which is even better because it's already super soft and knows all the best bedtime stories. My parents had lots of rules for Clara. They wanted her to be perfect, like the first pancake. Leo is the baby of the family, so we all let him get away with a little more, like having a messy room that looks like a toy explosion. But if my room is messy, I'm told I'm old enough to know better. It's like being the perfect pancake and the messy one all at once. You can't choose where you fit in your family, but I think I have the best spot. I get to be a big sister and a little sister. It's the sweet spot, right in the middle.